Welcome to this video of epic tutorial tips. I'm going to show you how to remove yellow stains and whiten teeth in Photoshop in under 2 minutes. First, select the standard lasso tool, which is the third option from the top on your left side toolbar. With the tool selected, draw an area around all of the visible teeth in your image. When you're ready, right-click inside that space and select the option called Layer via Copy. This will create a new layer in our project that focuses on this particular area. Make sure the new layer is active and not the background image. Next, we are going to select the menu named Image in our title bar at the top of the screen and look for the sub-menu named Adjustments. Following on from there, we want to click on the option named Hue Saturation. You should have a pop-up window appear. First, we want to select the drop-down box where it says Master and change this to yellows. Once that is done, look below for the scrollable tracker named Saturation and gradually decrease the saturation by moving the tracker to the left. After that, in the tracker directly below named Lightness, we want to gradually increase the lightness until you are happy with the final edit. You can now export or save your new image, or merge all the layers together to continue working on it. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. If there is anything else to do with Photoshop that you would like a tutorial on, let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, it would be greatly appreciated if you would consider liking the video or subscribing to the channel. That way we can keep in touch and you can see plenty of other useful uploads. As always, have fun and take care.